Good evening, everybody. Welcome to my channel. It's Sean. It is pretty late at night and I just pressed record, and I wanted to showcase what I'm doing for my nighttime routine for my skin. I've been traveling for about 7 hours or so, so I really need to detox my skin, and I've been in makeup since about 3:30 this morning because my flight was super early this morning. So one of the things that I love to do in a nighttime routine, especially when I have long travel days like this, is I have to detox my skin. And my detoxification, I'll show you all. Sorry you all, it's super duper late and I'm exhausted, but I have a ton of makeup on. The Estee Lauder cleansing balm, I've showed this a ton in previous videos, so this will be taking off my makeup tonight. And I'm going to do a charcoal mask. This one is the Goddess Cleansing Ritual 2, so that's what this looks like. So I'll be using this to detox my skin. Okay, so this is everything that I'm using tonight as well, except for what's in here. This is just like my travel backup system of La Mer when I'm traveling, but I think I'm gonna open up these. We've got the cleansing foam. Then I'm gonna go in with the replenishing oil exfoliator because I will need to exfoliate my skin. Then I'm gonna go in with this charcoal mask. All right, so that'll fit in between here. After you exfoliate, do the mask. Then I'm going to go in and do my concentrate and then do the moisturizing cream. And underneath my eyes directly, I'll be using the eye concentrate. So if there was like a charcoal mask in with La Mer, I would use that because you all know I love to use skincare as much as I can in a line just because of optimal synergy, but I love what La Mer has been doing for my skin. Okay, so on my face I have on the Tom Ford Traceless Matte Foundation. Because I was traveling since 6 this morning, I left for the airport at about 3:45 and it is now almost 11 o'clock. So I've had on makeup for a very long time on different airplanes, and mattifying foundations are very drying to the skin. And if you have something to rehydrate with, definitely do that. But again, you need to detox the skin because you don't want your pores to become congested. So that's why I love to use a charcoal mask, because charcoal is an absorbent, so it's going to pull impurities from the pores, and then you go in with something that will clean out the pores, like a salicylic acid or glycolic acid. Those kind of acids actually work as well. I also wanted to show you all, I'm wearing the Tom Ford brow gel. I wonder if it's in here. No, it's not. I'm wearing the Tom Ford brow gel in espresso on my brows. I also have on Chantecaille's black liquid liner to really make my eyes dark. And I took the Gucci bronzer. I just bronzed underneath, on top of that, underneath my eyes. And on my lips, I was wearing the Chantecaille Marigold lip balm from a previous collection that they had. So that's what I wore today. Also wanted to show you guys this. I took the Fresh scrub back because I ended up finding a half full jar of the Jouer lip scrub. I'm going to use that on my lips. And then, this light is so harsh. And then I have my Tatcha lip mask, which you all know is like one of my absolute favorites for sleeping in to rehydrate my lips in the morning. Because I really want to clean this properly. Make sure my skin is flawless. Okay, let's go into our Jouer mask. Our Jouer lip scrub here. Get this scrub really good. And then I'm gonna cleanse my face, but now you can see why I go through this cleansing balm. Now you guys see why I go through the cleansing balm quickly, because it pretty much takes all your makeup off. You know, I know some people would montage this, but like I said, it's late. And because a lot of people ask me about my skincare routine, it only makes sense for me to do it now. Sometimes you're super tired and you really don't want to do skincare, but it's really important for you to do that. So this is what the cleanser from La Mer looks like. I'm just going to wet my face and put this on. Love, love, love the cleanser. I'm going to put on this Tatcha lip mask just because I need my lips to really feel hydrated while I do the rest of my skincare. After you do a skincare routine that's so in-depth and involved, your makeup looks chef's kiss, flawless. All right, beautiful friends. So I went in with a charcoal mask. I took the oil exfoliator off, and I've already done a patch test with this charcoal mask in the middle of my elbow, so I know that I don't have a reaction to it. And I also did another experiment in the middle of my arm, testing my La Mer products with this charcoal mask. So I did that prior to, and it was okay. And I guess too, because this is not staying on the face, right? So okay, let's get visibly smoother looking skin with the hydration lotion. Oh my goodness. You want to press this into the skin a little bit, goes a long way. Take your time with this. Skincare is to really be enjoyed. This is also going to replenish any moisture that you lost. Then we're going into the concentrate. The concentrate is a serum. This is antioxidant rich. And what I love is that it's really going to bring any repair to the skin. Remember, antioxidants help to balance out free radicals by loaning them an oxygen electron. That in turn helps to prevent fine lines, wrinkles, damage from MMPs, which just happen to be a type of enzyme that speeds up the aging process. So we really want to take our time and use products that are intended to counteract skincare issues and concerns. Now let's get into the eye concentrate. This is for anyone who's looking to minimize the appearance of dark circles, fine lines, and wrinkles. And what I love to do is after a long trip where you're waking up early in the morning and you're traveling all day and you're exhausted, go with using the eye concentrate just to give you that revitalized look under the eye area. And I like to take deep breaths and massage with a small patting motion around my eye to help circulate oxygen. All right, let's go into the Crème de La Mer. This is a very rich consistency, and they do have one with a lighter consistency, but I love the rich one. I'm using the spatula here and just getting it on my face, and I'm going to rub this in really good. This is reducing fine lines and wrinkles, helping your skin feel firmer, smoother, rejuvenated, and in the morning, more supple. So this is my skincare routine for a late night after a long travel. Hope you enjoy it. Love you guys.